Hello everyone and welcome back to CareDental Spa with Dr. Luong. From the last video, COVID-19 Part 2, United We Stand. I want to re-emphasize that this is a very tough time for all of us and we are all in this together. Together, we can build a stronger community with an open heart to care and share for each other rather than being self-centered and selfish. Today, I would like to do a sequel to United We Stand, specifically talking about dental needs during this difficult time. Despite these trying times, it is important to make sure our family is protected with basic needs such as shelter, food, and water. It is as important to make sure to keep your appointments with your doctors for your routine checkups for health and medication. I am a firm believer of prevention, as discussed in part 1 of COVID-19, to flight or fight response. I chose both in the dental needs. My flight response is to prevent cavities by minimizing or avoiding sugar or food that have a high sugar content. I fight dental cavity with prevention. The prevention in dental need begin at your home care. Go back to my other YouTube videos with the cat in the hat, the 3 2s. Brush twice daily, 2 teeth at a time, and brush for 2 minutes. Don't forget to floss in between your teeth and brush your tongue. This is where bacteria can accumulate and is most commonly missed. Brushing and flossing will minimize the formation of plaque. However, most plaques harden within 48 hours of formation, and within several days, it will become so hard that it's almost impossible to remove. This hard substance is tartar, also known as calculus. And the only way to remove this tartar or calculus is to see your dentist or hygienist for a professional scraping of your teeth or cleaning. In another word, cleaning appointment is the most crucial and effective method of prevention. Think of this as an oil change and basic maintenance for your car. If you don't keep changing your oil and perform the basic maintenance, you will essentially need to buy a new car, which probably costs more than the basic maintenance that you should have been doing all along. However, you cannot buy a new you. In response to COVID-19, CareDental Spa is here for you and your family. We will make sure that you and your families are safe. We will use the highest level of personal protective equipment, PPE, that is recommended by the CDC and ADA standard, while treating you and your family to reduce the risk of exposure. We will also have protocol in place to practice social distancing, such as waiting in your car prior to your appointment. Patient will be notified by cell phone upon their arrival and remain in the car until the office contact patient that we are ready for them. Patient will remain 6 feet while checking out. In addition, we pre-screen every patient for possible COVID-19 and reschedule if we feel that it's unsafe for you and your family to come to the office. We'll remain open for emergency only until we can open for full service operation again. I apologize in advance for any inconveniences that this pandemic has caused. We will do our best to keep you and your family safe during this difficult time. Again, united we stand and we will survive this pandemic together. CareDental Spa is always here to fight with you and your family. Thank you for watching this, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your friends and your family. Thank you.